Hey guys, the JBL PartyBox 310 or 301 supports microphones, guitars, and external audio sources. Here's how to connect your mic and start singing right away. Locate the mic input port on the back panel of your PartyBox 301. Plug in your microphone cable, 6.3mm jack directly. Turn on the speaker and set volume knob or mic vol to mid-level first. Turn on your mic. If it's wireless, make sure the receiver is powered and connected properly. Gradually increase mic vol until you hear your voice through the speaker. Lastly, adjust bass boost and echo controls if you want more depth or reverb. Bonus tip, you can also pair your phone via Bluetooth to play backing tracks while singing. Works with both wired and wireless mics. Perfect for karaoke, outdoor parties, or live setups. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.